how many of you really understand the meaning of action, bench or charge? I believe all of you have not only heard these words but also used them frequently, isn't it? But now the question is, how many of you have noticed the meaning of these words? Tell me. I bet most of you just know these words, and based on your study and listening others, you also use these words, right? But again, the question is what exactly these words are. What are the English meaning of these words? What are the meaning of these words in law? Getting some confusion now? I think so. Okay, open your eyes and mind and think, what are the different meanings of these words? Well, first thing you should know is law has separate collection of terminologies which is entirely different from the English vocabulary. Not only this, there are many words which meaning in law is entirely different from the English meaning. Take example of bench, as we have discussed in the beginning, remember? Okay, so parts of a speech of the word bench is, it is noun, okay? And in English, the meaning of bench is a long seat, usually made up of wood, which has no backrest, and it is made for two or more persons, as you can see in the given image, right? On the other hand, in law, the meaning of bench is entirely different. The seat for judges in a courtroom, and more often bench refers the judge or judges composing a court. As you say, 2 judges bench, 3 judges bench, isn't it? Likewise, there are hundreds of such words and dozens of such simple words that you use frequently, but I'm sure you didn't pay attention on this aspect till now, or you did? Well, this is all for this video. In next video, I will discuss some technical information on this. Besides, something good to share, that is, I have started a course which is unique in itself. Why so? As nowhere else you will get such type of applied course, namely application of English language in law. In the course, along with the categorized vocabulary, I will discuss so many aspects of those English language and grammar which are exclusively applied in the legal field. And you won't believe probably the English grammar, like the words we have discussed now, even law grammar is technically different. That we will discuss in the course. Well, the course is available online, another good news. Hence, the law students of any country can join. Interestingly, for American students, separate timetable is scheduled as per their time zone. For European students, separate timetable is scheduled as per their time zone. For African students, separate timetable is scheduled as per their time zone. For Asian students, separate timetable is scheduled as per their time zone. Similarly, for the students of Oceania, a separate timetable is scheduled as per their time zone. Okay, so interested students can write to us at mplegalfirm@gmail.com. So simple. So that's all for this video. Hope to see you again in my next video. Bye bye.